Hi, my name is Matt Matson, and thanks for joining me for the third video covering some of the concepts introduced in my book, Melodic Stick Control, which you can pick up from LoneStarPercussion.com. In this video, I will touch on the third, and which I consider to be the most important practice method introduced in the preparatory exercises, and that is phrasing. Every good melody has phrasing, so if we want our drumming to sound melodic, the majority of our practice time should have some phrasing as well. There are three key elements for developing interesting and musical phrasing: varied lengths of rest between our ideas, varied idea lengths, and varied beats that our ideas begin and end on. I've incorporated these elements in all of the exercises of Melodic Stick Control in a simple and consistent way so that you can learn to embellish melodies by applying concepts as opposed to reading stickings. This is done by dividing each 4-measure exercise into 2 phrases by placing a comma above the melody where the first phrase should end. Take a look at Melody 10 from Melodic Stick Control. The comma at the end of the first phrase of this melody is right after beat 4 of the second measure, which means the first phrase will end on beat 4 in front of the comma. Similarly to when we speak, the comma represents a pause in our musical sentence so that we can develop drumming ideas that don't have a run-on sentence quality. The second phrase then begins on the next melody note after the comma, which in this melody is on the and of 1 in the third measure. And the second phrase will always end on the last melody note of the 4-bar phrase, which is on the and of 3 in Melody 10. Listen to the following examples as I demonstrate the phrasing practice method combined with the overlay and clear melody concepts demonstrated in the first 2 videos. First, I will demonstrate this slowly with a swung 8th note overlay on Melody 10. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And now at a faster tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Now listen to Melody 10 with an 8th note triplet overlay with phrasing at a slow tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And now at a faster tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... Finally, here is a 16th note overlay on Melody 10 with phrasing at a slow tempo. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and... And one more time at a faster tempo. 1, 2, 3, 4. An added benefit, besides sounding more musical, to using more rests and phrasing in your drumming, is that it will give you time to plan ahead so that your hands don't get ahead of your real-time creative thought process, aka improvising. I hope you enjoyed this 3-video introduction to Melodic Stick Control. Make sure and check out the remaining Melodic Stick Control support videos where I will be demonstrating the 6 sticking concepts that the previously learned practice methods will be applied to, and then finally some drum set applications. Thanks for watching, and make sure to visit drumphilosophy.com, your source for Melodic Stick Control support and other free drumming resources.